everyone, today we will be presented a real-life application of unsupervised learning called customer segmentation, which is commonly used by e-commerce platforms such as Shopee and Lazada. First of all, let me introduce our group member. First, we have Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Taib, Maisalah binti Muhammad Noor, Natasha Nabila Ana Ngaji, Nurul Natzirah binti Abdul Rahman, and Nurul Natasha binti Razali. In this presentation, we will explain how customer segmentation works and why it is considered as example of unsupervised learning. So first, what is customer segmentation? Customer segmentation is a process of dividing a customer into groups based on similar shopping behavior. For example, some people frequently purchase products, some only buy during sales events, while others prefer premium and branded items. By analyzing customer data such as purchase history, browsing pattern, spending habit, and shopping frequency, this system will automatically identify this group. This allows companies to better understand their customer and provide personalized promotion, recommendation, and marketing strategy.
My name is Nur Natasha binti Razali. I will present about the input data. The input data consists of raw customer behavior collected from the e-commerce platforms such as Shopee and Lazada. First, the system receives the purchase history, which includes the product customer buy and how often they make purchase. Next, it collects browsing patterns such as the product view and the customer search history. Next, it collects browsing patterns such as the product view and the customer search history. Next, it also records the spending habit such as average spending and shopping reference. In addition, it gathers season timing, which refers to when customers shop and the activity during the sale event. All of this information combined into what we call raw customer data. Importantly, none of this data comes from any label or predefined categories. No one has shorted or tagged it in any way.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Taib. My metric number B0325102233. Today I will explain about what the system is trying to learn. First of all, since the data has no label, the system does not know anything about the customer at the beginning. It simply receives information such as what customer buy, how much they spend, how often they shop, and also when they usually make purchase. The system then analyzes all of this data and look for patterns or similarity between customers. Customers who behave in a similar way are grouped into the same cluster. For example, the system may discover a group of bargain hunters who mostly shop during sales and promotion. It may also identify premium buyers who often purchase expensive branded products and spend more money than other customers. Another group could be occasional shoppers who only shop during special events such as 11/11 or 12 December sales. What makes this interesting is that nobody tells the system what group to create. These customer groups are not prepared in advance by humans. Instead, the system finds the pattern on its own and automatically create the cluster based on customer behavior. This helps e-commerce company better understand their customer and provide more suitable product, promotion, and also recommendation for each group. That's all for me. Next part, my friend will explain more detail. Thank you.
So why is customer segmentation on platform like a Shopee or Lazada is considered as an unsupervised learning? Here is the main key difference, where there is no label answer that guiding the system, where we can compare this to the supervised learning, where the system is trained using the data that is already labeled with the correct answer. For example, like an email where it's already marked as a spam or not spam. Nobody pre-label a shopper as a bargain hunter or a premium buyer before the system start learning. Now, we compare it with the reinforcement learning where a system learns through the rewards and penalty. Customer segmentation doesn't work that way either. There is no reward given for a grouping shopper correctly. Instead, unsupervised learning works differently. It looks at the raw, unlabeled shopping data and finds the hidden patterns entirely on its own, without any human guidance.
Customer segmentation is an example of unsupervised learning for three main reasons. First, the dataset contains no labels, meaning customers are not assigned to any group beforehand. Second, there are no predefined categories because the business does not tell the algorithm what group to create. Instead, the algorithm identifies customers with similar characteristics and form clusters automatically. Third, rather than predicting known outcomes, it discovers hidden patterns and relationships within the data. In conclusion, customer segmentation uses unlabeled customer data to identify groups with similar behavior. The algorithm discovers this cluster automatically without any predefined label or categories. This makes customer segmentation a classic example of unsupervised learning. By uncovering hidden patterns in customer behavior, businesses can better understand their customer and make more effective marketing and business decisions. Thank you.